Hello all. Today we're going to be talking about and show you how to make one of Japan's most popular street foods, takoyaki. What is takoyaki? For first-timers, takoyaki are ball-shaped snacks made of a wheat-based batter cooked in specially molded pans. Tako in Japanese means octopus, so yes, traditionally there is a piece of octopus within the batter. A bit of history. Takoyaki was first popularized in the Osaka area of Japan in 1935 and later spread to the Kanto region and other areas of Japan. Takoyaki was originally associated with yatai or street food stalls, but has now become popular in specialty restaurants. You can also now buy takoyaki in fast food shops, supermarkets, and even 24-hour convenience stores. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a version of takoyaki at home. And finally, I'll show you a professional takoyaki shop in operation, so please stick around until the end. So, how to make this delicious Japanese street food at home? Well, to make my version, you're going to need this, which is takoyaki batter mix. Actually, it's only regular flour with some dashi or Japanese soup stock flavoring in it. So if you can't find any, you can just use regular flour. This brand comes in pre-measured packages, which are 100 grams per package. You're also going to need this, cabbage. Some takoyaki recipes use cabbage and others don't. This is a recipe from Nagoya, where I live, and it uses lots of cabbage, so you can put in as much or as little as you want. And this is tako, or octopus. They recommend 60 to 80 grams of it, but I use more. And this is 300 milliliters of water. And this is an egg, obviously. I'm also going to include small, thin slices of Japanese pickled ginger, but I forgot to film it. Oops. Okay, next is preparation. Slice the cabbage into small, thin pieces. Now a quick disclosure. I'm not a professional chef, so please don't copy my knife work. Next, chop up the octopus into whatever bite-sized pieces you prefer. Remember to count how many takoyaki you're going to make so you have enough octopus for all. Okay, next let's start off by mixing the takoyaki batter mix, water, and egg in a large mixing bowl. Whisk until smooth and put aside. Next, get your takoyaki pan ready. There are a lot of varieties out there. This one's a really cheap one, but they're all basically the same, with specially formed holes for making takoyaki balls. Heat the pan up, and when you're ready to start cooking, add some regular cooking oil. Carefully pour the liquid batter into the pan, slowly covering everything with batter. Yes, fill it up until all the holes are gone. Next, add the pieces of octopus. Then the ginger, now add the cabbage, I know it looks like a lot, but it will all cook down into almost nothing. And if you want, a quick splash of soy sauce for some extra umami. And let it cook for a bit. Now comes the tricky part. Use 2 long thin wooden barbecue or yakitori skewers to quickly mold the cooking batter into ball shapes. Once one side is done, keep rotating the balls with the skewers until they are cooked through and golden brown. Once done, they are traditionally served with a bit of takoyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, powdered seaweed, and katsuobushi, which are dried bonito flakes. Enjoy! As you can see, while fun, cooking at home takes time with a bit of preparation. It's much easier in Japan to find a local takoyaki shop or stall and simply order some. Check out these professional takoyaki makers in Osaka. Wow, super fast skills. If you look carefully, you can see the guy down on the right making takoyaki from scratch. He's putting in the taco, octopus. Pouring all the batter. Well, I hope you enjoyed this look at takoyaki. Please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more fun facts about Japan.